In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to properly set up the oxygenation perfusion circuit for LifePort kidney transporter. Remove the sterile perfusion circuit from its protective outer dust cover. Place the circuit, oxygenation delivery tube, and luer lock cap either on a Mayo stand or a back table, wherever is convenient to open in a sterile fashion. Open each pouch and introduce the oxygenation delivery tube and luer lock cap to the sterile field. Using standard aseptic technique, unwrap LifePort kidney transporter perfusion circuit and place on the sterile field. Remove the paper tape securing the inner and outer lids to the perfusion circuit and place the lids on the sterile field. Be sure they are in a secure location. Remove the kidney cradle and inspect the perfusion circuit as per the IFU, ensuring nothing is cracked, loose, or broken. If using oxygen, attach the luer lock cap to the oxygenation delivery tube and attach the tube to the perfusion circuit. If oxygen will not be used, attach the luer lock cap directly to the perfusion circuit. Prepare LifePort kidney transporter to receive the perfusion circuit by opening the spring latch arm, pump head raceway, and locking arm. Using standard aseptic technique, place the perfusion circuit close to the edge of the table in preparation to receive 1 liter of machine preservation solution. Inner and outer lids are then replaced on the LifePort kidney transporter perfusion circuit. Hand the circuit to a non-sterile person to place into LifePort kidney transporter ice container. At a 90-degree angle, insert the tube frame hinges into the receivers before rotating flat onto the pump deck. Place the pump tubing loop over the pump head. Close and lock the pump head raceway. Apply slight pressure between the bubble detectors and close the pump deck locking arm. Connect the pressure sensor cable. Be careful not to overturn the connector. Power on the LifePort kidney transporter. Place the unit in wash mode to start the perfusate flow into the perfusion circuit. Once the bubble trap is filled with solution and solution starts to come from the wash port back into the reservoir, using a slow 45-degree rotation, rotate LifePort to expel any ancillary air that may be in the filter. Replace the outer insulated cover on the LifePort to help with ice longevity. To introduce oxygen, remove the luer lock cap from the oxygenation delivery tube. Connect the other end of the oxygen delivery tube to either a standard medical grade 100% O2 tank, wall O2, or an anesthesia card O2 source. Oxygenate the KPS at a rate of 0.5 liters per minute for at least 20 minutes, or until the kidney is ready to be placed in the circuit. Be sure that both inner and outer lids are secured in place during the oxygenation process. After sufficient oxygenation, turn off the oxygen source. Disconnect the oxygenation delivery tube from the perfusion circuit and fasten luer lock cap directly to the LKT200X. After placing the kidney within the perfusion circuit, continue with perfusion, as instructed in LifePort Kidney Transporter Operator's Manual